Hello and welcome back to the EmpressLocs channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to do starter locks. So for this video you'll only need a few items. The first would be a spray bottle filled with water, a tapered comb, gel, oil or your cream of choice, clips and hairbands. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I make a video. So to start off, you want to make sure that you're working on clean hair that was freshly washed. Even if your hair is clean, you want to wash it to make sure it's in its most natural state. And you want to keep it damp throughout the whole process, hence the spray bottle. So if at any time the hair is getting dry, just spray it. Now there are many ways you can part locks, brick parts, triangle parts, star parts, free parts, whichever one you choose, go ahead with that. I'm just starting with the back of the hair, applying the product to the roots and to the parting. It's just something that I do that makes it smoother for me. Now I've skipped to this clip so you can see something that you can't see in the other part of the video. So you just get your comb, grab that hair, twist to the right, and as you can see, I've picked up just a tiny bit of hair that was at that bottom of the parting. You can see me just grab it. It's literally like half a centimeter where my finger was. And then you just grab it and you keep twisting to the right. And the reason why the hair needs to be damp as well is so there's no friction. You can just keep twisting and you're also pulling the comb downwards throughout the hair. Pull it downwards and twist. If at any time you think it's going to hurt or there is friction, just hold the dreadlock while you're pulling it down. Now you've seen that bit close up, we can get right to it. So part your client's hair as you would like. I apply a decent amount of product, not too much, and scoop the hair within that comb and just twist and pull downwards. Usually it is quite carefree and it just comes out like this locks. You will see in some of the other locks there's a little bit of a struggle. I also didn't have a spray bottle with me, so it was a little bit difficult, but this is what you should end up with. It should spring back up. And I'm just going to do that again for you in slow motion. So place the hair at the top of the comb, the tippy top, twist round, make sure you grab that little piece of hair. If you don't, it's not the end of the world, it still comes out the same, but that's just something I do. Twist, pull the comb down as you're going. If at any point in time you feel a bit of tension, you can pinch the hair like this. It also stops from pulling the roots of the client's hair, makes it more comfortable for them. Pull down and twist all the way to the bottom and you'll just see it spring back up, and that's what you want to see. You don't want too much product that it's stiff. Now I'm going to continue with the rest on the head, and it's just the same. You repeat yourself. Do your parting, take your product. You can apply it to your finger and apply it throughout the entire hair or just the roots, or you can also apply it to the comb as well. I do both. Twist it around, twist, pull down, twist, pull down, twist, pull down. Depending on the texture of hair as well, you may not have the friction. This person has quite coarse hair, however someone with very silky hair, it will be a breeze.